Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Kia Sportage. First, understanding why this is important is key for safety and clear visibility on the road. You'll need just a few simple tools, primarily a Phillips head screwdriver and a tape measure. Our main objective is to ensure your low beams are perfectly aligned, illuminating the road ahead without dazzling oncoming traffic. Before making any adjustments, proper preparation is essential. Park your Kia Sportage on a completely level surface, facing a flat wall or garage door, ideally about 25 feet away. Make sure your tire pressure is correct according to your vehicle's specifications. Also, ensure your gas tank is full or the vehicle has its usual load to maintain a consistent ride height.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, keep your garage floor spotless while you work with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making it perfect for any home. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's mark the wall for precise alignment. First, measure the exact distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking them with horizontal pieces of tape. Next, measure down 2 to 4 inches from these initial marks and place another horizontal tape line. This lower line will serve as your target for the low beam cutoff. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal aim. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turning clockwise typically raises the beam, while counterclockwise lowers it. Adjust until the top of the low beam's most intense part sits just below your lower tape line.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.